So, launched yesterday, and here it is today, the Tribit Stormbox Mini. Many expectation because we know the micro Stormbox was a really good speaker, and the Stormbox itself, the original big one, was pretty good too, to my opinion. Great bass, really spread out sound. So as you can see, the package here is in blue and yellow according to the speaker color. So we got a nice, really thought out package. 12 hours of playtime, 6 watts for each side. So we have stereo as well, and IPX7, Bluetooth 5.4. So let's not waste any more time and open it up. As usual, my multi-tool will do the job. Link in the description as usual. Here it is. Instructions. USB-C cable. And let's look at the speaker. So this is the strap, passive radiator, pretty big one. With the lighting here, we'll test it immediately. 2 speakers from the side. This is a stereo 360 speaker, and in the back 3 buttons: the operation button, the Bluetooth button, the lighting button, and the sealed connection to the charging port and the 3.5 aux port. So pretty good design and pretty standard, let's say, but a nice size. Really nice lighting here, effect, really subtle with all the colors. And now to the sound test. By the way, you can get this speaker right now in a discount. I'll put a link for the AliExpress. I think the best price you can get, depending on which country you live, is $21 right now. It's a big discount. You can get it from their back to school sale. So see what code do you put in the discount and see what price do you get. So just a minute before we start our sound test, I want to talk about something. So before I ordered this speaker, I looked for reviews about this speaker, and apparently it was there was a sound test review a month ago by someone that tested this speaker, and the reactions were not so good. They say it's have a muffled sound. They say that the sound is not so good, but I didn't believe it, so I wanted to see myself, and gladly I was right for not listening to other reviews. So what I'm talking about, this is a 360 degrees speaker. That means that the speakers are here and here. So this should spread the sound around the room, okay? And because of that, if you listen to it in this direction, with the button facing you, you get a little bit less mid-range than highs. That's normal, you know. But in the other hand, when you sitting beside it or in an angle, this is really fine. This is a party speaker. It doesn't supposed to, you know, direct the sound right to you. You can do it. You can listen to it like this. You will lose a little bit of the stereo, but you'll get a much more pronounced treble and bass. Okay, but in this direction, to my opinion, there is enough vocals and height. Definitely not muffled. I don't know which or what was going on there. Maybe it's another version, I don't know. But for my opinion, this really makes nice effect. You got this whole effect. And yes, there is really difference before if you listen it to from this direction, you sitting in front of it, or you hanging around the the room, or you face it like this. In this, by the way, if you listen in this direction from the side of the speaker, I think it has too much treble and too much vocal. And this is fine, because this the main purpose of this speaker is to spread the sound around the room. And this is very nice for this size of speaker, you know. It's conveniently can get in your bag without leaving other space to other things. So day by day, this is really nice. Another thing that I noticed, if you place this speaker on a surface, it does affect the sound. So it's really important to isolate it maybe from the surface that you listen to. So if it's a table, it does have rubber feet here, so it's making some insulation. But if you put another insulation, it's pretty simple things, you know, some clothes or something will do the job right. And I will check in my sound test. I will hang it, and you can see that the sound is even better and even more spectacle, and the bass is not reduced by it, but it got a spectacle effect. So this is really nice. So I have to say it because I saw the review and I saw another reactions about it in another YouTuber that mentioned this speaker. So I have to say it, I have to clarify things. Now let's get to the real sound test. So let's see some performance when the speaker is hanging out, as I said before, and you will see the difference. Anyway, I think this speaker sounds good even if it's not hanged, but this is even better. Accurate bass. Let's hang it up. As you can see, no problem with the vocals. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this sound test. Hope you understand what I'm talking about. For my opinion, this is a really good speaker. It continues the sound of the Soundstorm, so really good bass. Even I would say it can play bass, not just punch it, you know, not just hit it. So you can feel the different sounds of bass. You can hear it in if you have a bass guitar. You can definitely see this speaker is doing a good job. The sound is great. Definitely, I didn't feel that significant amount of missing mid-range. I don't know. It was fine. It was pleasant, not screamy, not too recessed. Treble here is okay. It doesn't have a dedicated speaker, of course, but treble is really okay. And when you need it in, you know, in you even have a sparkling effect. I'm sure that there are speakers that have better, but this in this size, in this category, this is really fine. This is really good, not fine. As to the speaker itself, it's solidly built in the right. It's not too small. It's not too large. You know, the buttons here works really good. A main button here can navigate through the songs. You can see it in the instructions, so it's really good. And it leaves the plus and the minus buttons to do their job. They're tactile and they're good. You got 2 modes here with the sound. One is faster, one is slower. I prefer the smaller one. And you got an aux, and you got everything you need. And for this price, I think it's a really good speaker. Unless you decide you want to hear something more delicate, then I really recommend the Tribit Micro. And this is it, guys. So let me know in the comment what you think, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.